But when we start looking out at some of the new threats and Cisco's focusing in some of the new security areas, address the new types of problems that come from hackers and all of the dark web threats that are out there, what are the focus areas and what are the things that our partners and customers should know about that really is top of mind for you?
Great question. One of the things that really resonates well with our partners and customers, and one of the conversations they still engage with us on, is around zero trust. So when we speak about zero trust, we think about workplace, workload, and workforce, the 3 Ws. And the thing about zero trust is it doesn't matter if you're a small business, it doesn't matter if you're a large enterprise, it can be applicable for different organizations. And look, at Cisco, we're really lucky. We've got a great endpoint solution. So endpoints are incredibly important when we think about securing them. So securing them from malware, from viruses, any device that we connect from. And when we come into the workplace, we can often see who the person is. So that's a form of authentication. Yeah. They come into the building with their badge access, that's another form of authentication. And then they connect with their username and password. So those are different elements of trust. We're trusting the user as they enter the building and get to their laptop and access their applications. But with remote worker, we can't do that. So we have to look at technologies like Duo and multi-factor authentication. But that's a perfect example of somewhere that's really easy, and it doesn't matter if you're an SMB with 2 or 3 employees or you've got tens of thousands of employees. That's a really easy place to start and look at how you secure yourself on that journey. There are other elements involved around workload. So how do we actually look at where our stuff is hosted? Is it hosted in the cloud? Is it hosted on-prem? How do we secure that workload? How do we look at it from an analytics perspective as well? And then finally, the workplace, how are we actually connecting? Connecting through the Wi-Fi, are we connecting public Wi-Fi, are we connecting from home, are we wired? What does that connectivity look like as well? How do we go about securing that connectivity? And again, it's done through trust. Right. We don't just allow people openly to connect in, but we go through different steps of authentication to allow them, from a trust perspective, connect to the network.
Is security important for Cisco's collaboration story? Is it a big part of the offer? And what should our partners and customers understand about Cisco's collaboration solutions as it pertains to the security element?
Security is in our DNA. We don't bolt on that as a solution. We care about user privacy. So the WebEx solution as a comprehensive user privacy policy. Yeah. We give the power of the data in the user's hands, their identity, and all other things associated with that is absolutely important for us. Things such as end-to-end encryption, from the time you capture the data to the transit time to the time it's delivered to the end user, it's completely encrypted. The keys are with you as a customer, so there is no misuse of data anywhere. And obviously, our comprehensive security solution, which whether it is multi-factor authentication or whether it is VPN and encryption, is completely integrated with the collaboration solution. So you're not only buying a world-class collaboration solution from Cisco, it's the most secured platform that you could think of.
Organizations worldwide have shifted to remote and hybrid ways of working, creating new challenges and opportunities when it comes to staying connected, secure, and collaborative. At Cisco, we have been thankful to work closely with our partners as they support customers through this shift, and we're focused on how we can create entirely integrated systems so that businesses can achieve true flexibility and connectivity. Along with our distribution partner Comstor, we're committed to continuing this kind of innovative thinking. Our whole range of integrated Cisco solutions are about enabling customers to collaborate seamlessly in a hybrid work environment. Come and speak to us about how we can help you grow your offering and support customers who are still embarking on this journey.